Hey girl, hey, I am back again with another unboxing. I don't have the box sitting here next to me because it's pretty big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stuff out of the box, go off the camera for a second, take the stuff out of the box, excuse me, and then I will put it here on the table. I hope that my camera looks a little bit better. I changed it up a little bit in the room. Drop me a comment and let me know if the camera looks a little bit better, or if you like for me to be closer up, like when I do my what's in my bags. Let me know. Make sure you drop me a comment. And if you are new here, I am Renee, aka the Purple Treat Lady. Here on this channel, my channel, our channel, what I do is unboxings, what's in my bags, shop with me's. I'm working on doing some vlogs. I say working on it because I'm still trying to figure out technology and how to get everything stringed together. What I'm wearing, the 40 plus life. So if you like that kind of stuff, if you like those kind of things, make sure you subscribe, like, click that notification bell for when I go online again. I'm trying to build up my subscribers to 300. That way I can do a giveaway. And lastly, I hope that everybody's having a great night this morning, this evening, this afternoon, like I said, night, wherever you are, wherever you may be. And I'm going to jump into the unboxing. I'm going to pause the camera. Okay, so I'm over here on the side with the box. All of these items came from the Spade outlet. Here's one. There's two. There's three. And number 4. I'm going to throw this box down so we can get to it. I guess we can open the large one first, right? Bigger first. I always like to go bigger first for some odd reason. We do the smaller ones last. Okay. So I ordered all of these items offline. While I was in New Orleans over the last weekend, I was doing some shopping when we were down. And not doing anything, just kind of relaxing. I decided to do some shopping. So I'm just trying to move all of this out the way. This is a beautiful tote. My goodness. I don't think I was expecting it to be so pretty. Or maybe I was. Kate Spade hearts. Pocket on the back. Gorgeous. It's more gorgeous than what I think I expected. I'm taking everything off because I will be keeping it. Have y'all bought any Valentine's Day items? And if so, what items have you purchased? Have you been to Kate Spade? I saw that Kate Spade, the retail store, has a 3D heart that I'm interested in. My friend sent it to me the other day on, and I was like, add to cart. And then I said, oh, until I saw 428, and I've been shopping it up. So if I hadn't been shopping it up and buying all other kind of stuff, I probably would have gotten it. But your girl got to wait a few weeks before she can get that one. Hopefully by the time I get it, it's closer to Valentine's Day or after Valentine's Day, because that's probably what I'll do. I'll wait until after Valentine's Day, and I'll get it after Valentine's Day, and hopefully it'll be at a discounted rate, since I bought all these other Valentine's Day bags already. So I don't mind waiting for it. Don't mind at all. Did anybody pick up any of the Coach collection? I know that there's like multiple collections, or a couple of them that came out. It has this little cute charm on it, or bag tag from Kate Spade. That's super cute. Let's see what it looks like in the inside. I just took one strap out, and it's like a chalk color. I'll do the other one later. Has gold hardware. I think that's gorgeous. And the inside has Kate Spade written. There's a pocket here. There's 2 pockets here. And the bag doesn't have any feet, which is okay. I'm not going to put it on the floor anyway. So that's the Kate Spade tote. So cute. I'll take the rest of the paper off of it later. That's super cute. And I love that it is a structured tote. I love that I don't necessarily have to put a bag organizer in here for it to stand up. So I love that part about the Kate Spade tote. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. It's called the Heartfelt GOP large tote. And it says that it was $3.99, but I think I only paid like about $100 for this bag. So that's that. I think it was like $118, $120, something like that. I also picked up the wallet. I'll open the wallet. Let me get a little closer to the camera. I feel like I'm really reaching tonight. Trying to do something a little different. I like the box. I'll keep this box. I try not to keep too many boxes, but I'll keep this one. It's just a little card holder. I love the little card holders just because it works well for me. I put a lot of other stuff in my purse. So little small card holders work really well for me. Super cute. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3 on each side. Plus the 7th one is the middle piece. So yeah, perfect for me. Perfect. I think the little card holder was maybe like $48. I can't recall. But that's that. And then lastly, oh no, not lastly, I have one more. The other item right here that I think that was a free item. If you spent $200, then you got that for free. This one is, let's see. Ooh, that's cute. That's super cute. Well, why is this all stuck on here like this? I don't know, but whatever. That's super cute. It is Mwah Lips. That's actually what it's called. It's M-U-W-A-H. Mwah Lips from Kate Spade. How cute is that in this gold tone? That's cute. I love it. It says that it's $128, but I think I paid like $38 for this. It is a little stiff, but I'm gonna put like coins in it or something. That's all will go in here. Oh, it even has the Kate Spade logo. Like the Kate Spade tag in the inside. How cute. Let's add it to this bag right here. See how it looks on the heart bag. Hearts and kisses. Hugs and kisses. Let's see. Can I add it on here? Is it possible? It is. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. What do you think? I hope that you love. Go check it out. Kate Spade Outlet. I think totally I paid about $200 for everything. And then they gave me this free tote bag, shopping bag to go along with it. So, Kate Spade Outlet. I hope that you enjoyed my haul and all of the lovely, lovely items that I picked up for Valentine's Day. Like I said, I do want to get that 3D Kate Spade heart, the 3D heart from the Kate Spade retail store. If you have that one, how do you like it? Drop me a comment. Let me know. How do you like the heart bag from Kate Spade? If you picked up the 3D heart, is it worth the $4.28 before I go out there and make that type of investment? Because I did buy the Victoria's Secret heart, and I have some other hearts that are not branded. I think I got a couple of them, one from my sister at Claire's, and I think I bought one from a place called Sam Moon that sells a bunch of handbags and accessories. But is it worth the $4.28? Because I really want to know before I go out there and make the investment. But other than that, I love all of my new items. My Vanna White. I love all of my new items that I picked up. And I hope that you enjoyed this haul video. And I will see you again in another haul. Love and light to you all. And stay warm. Have a great night, morning, evening, afternoon, wherever it is, wherever you are. And take care. Bye, everyone.